It's Riley from Science Girl, and tonight I built this robot and I figured that you guys would want to see it. My grandmother bought this for me at KiwiCo. Check them out on Instagram, follow them, and also get yourself a box. It's super neat, took about 20-25 minutes, very simple to put together. The legs were a little bit wobbly, so I definitely had to fix that by moving these a tiny bit, but now it walks ever so fluidly. It's a very neat project. My cats aren't really taking a liking to it. My cat Reese tried to eat it. Hi, Chubby. You want it? Huh? Yeah, cat's reaction to it. Turn that a little bit more toward her. Let's see, what does she think? Yeah, they're not taking a liking to it. So I hope you guys like this really short vlog. I really want to share this to you. I absolutely loved it. It was a lot of fun to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys have a great day, but for now, this is Science Girl.